Python literals. So literals is a raw data used for representing fixed values. For example, you can see in this picture I took the variable number and 5.5 is the value. So 5.5 I will assign the variable in number. So here number is a variable and 5.5 is a literal. So literals is a value. So in this lesson we will learn about numeric string and Boolean literals. So first we will see the numerical literals. So numerical literals can belong to three different numeric types: integer, float and complex. Integer, for example, you can say 5, 0, minus 45, 30, etc. Float values are 3.4, 1.3, 1.525, E2, etc. So you can see the 1.525 E2 is like a 1.525 into 10 to the power of 2. The third type of literals is numeric literals is complex numbers. Complex numbers, you can say for example, you can say 1.5z. So 1 is the real and 5 is the imaginary. So there is two parts, real and imaginary parts, in a complex number. So another example you can see here, 2.2 plus 3.4j. So 2 is the real number and 3.4 is the imaginary number. So etc. You can give more examples. So numerical literals can also be represented in binary, hexadecimals or octal systems. Here you can see a equal to 0, b 1 0 1 1. It's like a binary numeric literals. Octal, you can see the b equal to 0 0 0 O 3 1 0 is octal. O is represented as an octal. X, here you can see the c equal to OX 12c. So X represent here hexadecimal numbers. The another type of literals is the string literals. A string literal is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. So you know what is a string. So by the definition you can say that a sequence of characters is called a string. So if any sequence of characters enclosed with the quotes, so you can say it's a string. So we can use either single, double or triple quotes for a string in Python. For example, you can see here there are three variables which are stored. So name equal to Jack Sparrow, another name is a variable name, and the value is string value is stored in this variable, Mike Smith and P. So here first example, you can see the double quote, and the second one is the single quote. For multi-line string also you can use the multi-line string. You can use triple quotes if you want to store a multi-line strings. For example, you can see the multi-line string equal to 3 double quotes here and then name equal to Jack, salary and age. So it will define the name, salary and Jack values, and then after you will enclose with the third quote. So now we will see the Boolean literals. There are two Boolean literals, true and false. It is important to note that true and false are case sensitive. So in this picture you can see the variable a store the value of true. So here we have assigned true to the variable a. Let's take a few examples. A equal to true. So it will show error message because Python thinks true is a variable, not a literal. So you can see here the true all in a small case, and the first example you can see the first T is the capital letter. So it's a case sensitive. So make sure if you want to use the Boolean literals, it should be case sensitive. Let's take one more example. In this picture you can see a equal to true. So the variable a stored the true, which is enclosed by single quotation mark. So the above code runs without an error. However, a string true is stored in the variable a as it is enclosed inside the quotation marks. Python comment. In programming, a comment is used to describe what's going on inside a program. So you can say comments are used for users to better understand the code. Python interpreter ignores such comments, so it will not execute in your program. It will just, you can understand the line by line concept. In Python, we use the hash symbol to write a comment. So in this picture, you can see I start with a hashtag. This is a comment. So this is a comment means this is the line of comment which will not execute in your program. Only it will execute a equal to hello. So the variable a contains hello. The above program you can see has two comments. This is a comment, the first comment, and a content hello is the second comment. So these two lines ignore by the Python interpreter. It will not execute.